Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today's video I'm going to show you how to log into your web cable email. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your default browser and search web cable email login. And you will see web cable email on the top of your search list. You just gotta click here so that you'll be redirected to the login portal. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal where you simply have to enter your username and your password. In case you forgot your password, you can click here and reset it. If not, then just log in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks would be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.